Hey guys, I'm at the KOA and I am tie-dyeing a pillowcase. Let's get to it. All these colors: hot pink, jungle red, watermelon, light red, orange, yellow, granny apple, forest green, bright blue, seagull glass, Caribbean blue, aqua blue, bright blue, baby blue, deep purple, raspberry black, dark brown, and gray. Let's get to this. I think I'm gonna put hot pink right here. Shh. Alright. Next is going to be, I want to do Caribbean blue. I'll show you when this is all done. This is how it turned out. It's a bullseye with lots of colors. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Oh, and guess what? It's a pillowcase. So we gotta let it sit for a couple hours and then it will be done. Okay, well, guys, have a great summer. The rest of your summer. Please like and subscribe.